Okay guys, my name is ARMAN E19A0055. So I am here to present about the mechanism, function or the design of the portable water heater. Why we call it portable water heater? Because it kinda like a plug-in where this is the water bottle. Imagine this is water bottle. So we can plug out the bottom of the bottle and replace with the water heater bottom and put it here. So the bottle now have the water heater function. Okay, so this is the overview of the shape of this portable water heater. Okay, so this is, we have heating chip, coil, rechargeable battery and switch button. Okay, so firstly the heating chip is the one that control the heat of the coil. Okay, so about the coil is made from nichrome, which is 80% nickel and 20% chromium. Why we use nichrome? Because nichrome has high resistance and easy to use as a heater. Okay, so we can found most in the water heater component, they will use nichrome. Okay, so the temperature is fixed at 54 degrees. Why? Because if we set the temperature can be controlled, it can rise up the cost and have a higher possibility for the toggle or the program to be broken. Okay, because this is the water bottle that designed for extreme sport like hiking or what. So we aim to create a strong product with less broken probability. Okay, so the battery we choose to make it as a rechargeable battery. Why we not make it as a wireless battery? Because wireless battery, it is too costly. So and it is high possibility to get broken when doing the extreme sport. And so when we use the rechargeable battery, if the rechargeable battery is more endurance. Okay, so if it is broken, you can just buy a new rechargeable battery and replace the broken one. Okay, so this is the switch button which is only on and off. Okay, so the point is here, it is a component that we can easily plug in and plug out. When we want to use the water heater, we can plug it in, and if we done with the heating process, we can plug it out and put the normal bottom of the bottle. Okay, so this is the view from the different sides of this portable one.
Hi everyone, my name is Soniya and today I am going to present about two parts, which is the outer layer body of front bottle and the outer layer body of inside wheel of bottle. First of all, the outer layer for a bottle is really important. It is because it helps an individual to allow drink water and also it's help to transport a beverage from one place to another place. Firstly, the material of outside part of this bottle is include a shockproof. It is because this shockproof will protect the inner lining of bottle as well as an extra structure to help achieve a durable and slick aesthetic bottle to sustain a minor impacts without a big damage to the internal mechanism. And also it helps to protect the inner lining as well as external steel structure to achieve a durable and slick aesthetics. This slick aesthetics advantages is it's a lightweight, so it make the water in a lightweight and help to carry everywhere very easily. And another advantages of silic acetic is it's a BBA-free material. And although this bottle contains a lot of liners BBA-free, it's still less expensive compared to other bottles. Secondly, the outer layer body of front bottle included a rubber coating because rubber coating is very high in quality and it will never give any negative impact such as rust. Since this bottle contains a rubber coating, it will make this bottle as a reusable bottle, which is a way to contribute saving the environment in a convenient use of this bottle. Rubber coating is one of the most widely used process of coating in various applications. It's one of the protective coating in way to protect earthing, decorate earthing or other functional purposes. And lastly, another material that uses the front of this bottle is water resistant. Water resistant means a type of force that uses the friction to slow the things down that are moving through the water. So when this bottle added the water resistance, it is able to resist the penetration of water to some degree. Secondly, the inside view of this bottle, which is the used material is high quality plastic material. It is because this material is very strong and light. Since this material is strong, is 200 times stronger than a glass and is warranted against a breakage or cracks. So the individual who bought this bottle can use this bottle with a warranty that it will not easily break or cracks in the bottle. Thank you.
Hello everyone, I'm SHALINNI and I'm going to present about the portable water heater. Well, there are 6 components in this water portable heater. One of the components are handles, LED display screen, twistable cap, non-slip pads, water temperature indicator, and last but not least, water level indicator. So now let's look about the functions of each component. Handles are the tools that are very important. It is important because it enables the user to exploit the tools to maximum effect. LED display screen. LED display screen is a flat panel display that uses an energy or array of light emitting diodes as pixels of video display. LED displays are capable of providing general illumination in addition to visual display. LED display is also one of the screen shows the temperature of the liquid in it. Next is twistable cap. Twistable cap is one of the action of placing the lid correctly in the container so that by turning clockwise, which is twist open, or pressure by closing or manually a tightly sealed container is obtained. Twistable cap should also be raised circular portion in the center of the lid panel that functions. In addition, non-slip pads. Non-slip pads, it is used to prevent slips and falls in the workplace. It is also known as a heat resistant or heat protector. Non-slip pads will also help us to grip the portable water heater so that it will not fall off. Furthermore, water temperature indicator. Water temperature indicator is the wire which runs into part of the cooling system, such as the radiator, where cooling water is flowing causes the pointer to move on the temperature, reading gauge to indicate the water temperature. Water temperature can also be tested in Fahrenheit or degrees Celsius. The purpose of water temperature indicator is to let us know the temperature of the liquid which is inside the portable heater. Last but not least, water level indicator. The purpose of water level indicator is to gauge or manage water levels into the portable heater. The control panel can also be programmed to automatically turn on a water pump once level get too low and refill the water back to the adequate level. Thank you.
Hello everyone, my name is SHAMEERA binti Ahmad NORDEEN. Today I'm going to present the keychain or the fire starter kit that has been added is a feature that has been added to Grayl Geopress water heater filtration bottle. So it is one of the innovation added into the filtration bottle. So I will explain what is flintstone. Flint is a sedimentary cryptoclastin, a form of mineral quartz that has been categorized as a variety of quartz that occurs in chalk or marine limestone. Flint was widely used historically to make stone tools and to start fires. It occurs chiefly as nodules and mesas in sedimentary rocks such as chalks and limestones. Inside the nodule flint, usually it is dark grey, black or green, or it is white or brown in color, and often it has a glassy and waxy appearance. A thin layer of the flint on the outside of the nodule is usually different in color. It's typically white or rough in texture. The nodules can be found along the streams and beaches. During the Stone Age, the axis of the flint is actually significant for the survival of people to trade or travel to obtain flint. For example, the Native Americans has extracted the flint from hundreds of quarries along the ridge. So this is also known as the Ohio flint that has been traded across the eastern United States and has been found as far west as the Rocky Mountains as south around the Gulf of Mexico. Next, what is the function? So the function of the flintstone, or as well as the fire starter kit, but it is already in the name. It is a fire starter kit that will be used to indicate heat for the temperature heating process, for the heating process for the water inside the filtration water. As we know, it has the function for a portable water heater, where you can actually replace where the water heater can be replaced with the filtration part if we want to heat the water. So it has a string that has been attached to the it has the string to attach the bottle, so that it becomes a portable fire starter kit, that it becomes easy for the owner, for anyone who uses the water, to bring it anywhere you can, so you don't have to bring extra fire starting kit to heat up the water, because it is already provided at the filtration bottle itself. So thank you very much.